Hello my lovely peoples, hope are you all doing good. Today we will talk about how to start home gardening. Growing your own plants at home can be a rewarding and fulfilling hobby. Here are some tips to get you started. Start small, choose a small area in your yard or a container on your balcony to start with. This will help you get a feel for gardening without overwhelming you. Choose the right plants, consider the amount of sunlight, water, and space you have available. Research which plants are suitable for your climate and conditions. Prepare the soil. The quality of your soil can have a big impact on the success of your garden. If you're using a container, be sure to use a potting mix specifically designed for containers. If you're planting in the ground, consider adding compost to improve the soil structure and fertility. Water regularly. Different plants have different water needs, so be sure to check the specific requirements for the plants you're growing. Water deeply to encourage strong root growth. Fertilize. Use a balanced fertilizer to provide the nutrients your plants need to grow strong and healthy. Follow the instructions on the package for the appropriate amount to use. Pay attention to pests. Keep an eye out for pests that may damage your plants. If you do find pests, try to identify them and choose a suitable control method. Be patient. Gardening requires patience as it takes time for plants to grow and mature. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. With time and care, your garden will thrive. I hope you like this talk, and remember to like, share, and subscribe our channel. See you